Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your monthly reading, your general monthly reading for the month of October. So let's begin. This is going to be a general reading, which means it's going to cover your love, your career, your day-to-day life. I'm also starting weekly monthly readings from October, so please do look out for that. Instead of mid-month one love reading, I'm going to do weekly love readings apart from monthly general readings. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel so that you're aware of the love readings, because I see that most of the viewers are really interested in what is happening in their love life. So let's see how your monthly reading is going to be. Your month of October is going to be general life wise, career, love, anything that you can think of, right? So first week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. Okay, let's clarify some more cards. This reading is going to be in English, so if you're more comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, then that will be a separate video. Alright, I see major arcana cards, the Sun, the Temperance, the Hanged Man, and the Emperor. Beautiful. So let's see what is really happening in your life with major arcana, major things happening in your life, right? So let's begin. Your first week has the Two of Spades and the Sun card. So it does feel to me, right? In the past, your life was not going good at all. You were alone. You had withdrawn from the world. Maybe after a breakup or after a divorce, you had completely shut yourself up. You were not meeting your friends also. You were not dating also. I do see that you have spent a lot of time in solitude. Now with the Sun card, which is the happiest card of the reading, it's telling you that happiness will be coming back into your life. Your life will be happy again. New beginnings will be in your life again. Some of you could be getting married, relationship, good job success, or pregnancy news. Any sort of good things that you can think of, that will be coming to your life again after a sad period, right? To those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I am going to refer to this book time and again, and I will like to clarify the Two of Spades, that why is the Two of Spades here? Yes, like I said, whatever blockages there were in the past, whatever confusions you had in the past, whatever worries you had in the past will be gone, and sun will shine bright on you again. Okay, dear Aquarius, good start of the October month. Good start. Coming to the second round, we have the Postulant and the Temperance card. So it does seem to me like you have started a new business, or you have started a new job, or any new sort of work, where I do feel that you have been working very hard, like night and day, putting all your hard work, long hours, right? Or even traveling for some of you. So I do see that there is a need for balance in your life, right? So if the balance was not in there in the past months, then balance will be restored in your life. And if you think that you're working too hard and you're not able to give enough time to yourself, your health, your sleep, or your friends or your family, then the cards are telling you that you need balance back in your life. So try to have a work-life balance, so that you're not just working, but you're also able to spend time with your family and rejuvenating yourself as well, right? Coming to your third week, we have the Three of Stars and the Hanged Man. So some of you could be dealing with a Libra sign. It doesn't have to be, but since it popped up, I would like to tell you that I do see that you have been stabbed in the back. Okay, so I do see that you have issues in trusting a person. It could be that you have been stabbed in the back by a Libra. Okay, it could be that you were dealing with a Libra, and I do see that this person has hurt you a lot. Okay, this person has stabbed you in the back a lot, and you are thinking that why did they do this? Why did they hurt me? I would clarify more with Nostradamus about these cards. Let's clarify, why are they together? For Aquarius, why are they together? Yes. So I do see that something in the past, like I said, a breakup or a divorce has happened, a thing has ended, and you are still sort of thinking about it. That person stabbed you in the back. They were maybe not honest. Maybe they were in there only for your money. They were maybe in there only for something to get in return, and not really in love for you, right? So they sort of used you is what I'm getting. So because of that, you're still in sorrow, right? This separation is still killing you. I do see that you still cry over this person or this loss of relationship and marriage. I would like to clarify the Hanged Man as well. Yes. See, there must have been a lot of sacrifices that you made for this person, right? But still, this person was treacherous. Still, this person hurt you. Still, this person betrayed you. Okay? I do see that your intuition was telling you that this person is not trustworthy, but you still trusted them anyway. But what the cards are trying to tell you is that you have to accept the situation as it is, right? Because this was the prophecy, which means this was your destiny. You had a karmic cycle with that person. This was supposed to happen. You were supposed to get hurt. Why? Because maybe in the past life or any of the past lives, you must have hurt this person, and this person now has come back into your life to take their revenge. So it could be that it was a past karmic relationship, and that mutual and give and take is ended now. So this relationship was supposed to end. What the cards are trying to tell you is that you have to accept the situation as it is, right? Because you're living in the past, you're still in that sorrow, you still feel agitated about everything that happened. So the cards are telling you that changes are very normal in life, right? So sometimes there are highs and sometimes there are low. So just accept the situation as it is. There will be changes. You will be reborn like a phoenix, right? You have been up and you also have been down to the bottom as well, with your divorce, with your breakup, with ugly endings, right? With the fights, with messiness. So don't worry. Or if that was a loss of business as well, or a loss of job as well, it will rise again, right? You will rise again, you will come out on the top again, you will be reborn, you will come back stronger and wiser is what the cards are telling you with the Hanged Man here, right? Coming to your last week, we have the Six of Stars and the Emperor. See, the Six of Stars and the Emperor. So you are an Aquarius. It could be that the person also has Sun, Moon, Rising, Aquarius, or they could be a Capricorn as well. So there are three signs that have come out for me. Or it could be that you also have Capricorn or Libra in your sign, Sun, Moon, or Rising, anyone, which you will get to know if you know your birth chart well, right? So I do see that there is new hope that is coming in your life, whether that's your work, whether that's your business, or whether that's your personal life. I do see new hope coming back into your life, which means there is hope, which means your life can get better again, right? Which means you can have a new relationship again, which means you can get married again, right? Or you can have that new job or new business again. I do feel that in the past month also, I did say that some of you had a very strong influence of your father. I do see that, Aquarius. Your father figure is very strong, and they do have an influence over you. Whether that's a negative one or that's a positive one, I don't know. But I do feel that they're coming from a good place. Yes, they could be strict. Yes, they could be assertive. Yes, they could be very controlling. But at the end of the day, it feels to me what the cards are telling me, that they're trying to bring the best out of you, right? They're trying to provide the best to you. If they're giving you an advice regarding something, whether that's a person, your relationship, your marriage, your spouse, your business, or your job, please listen to them, because they know well, they know you well, they know the situation well, they know the world better, so they know the business transactions better. So they are trying to only help you. And if you think this is not anybody else in your life but you, so it could be that you have a father figure in the family. It could be that you are the head of the family, and you do are responsible for all the happiness and sorrows in your life, in your house. Or it could be that you have a husband, it could be that you have an elder brother. So any father figure in your family, it could be your mother who's like a single mother who's supporting you, who could be the head of the family, right? Who's guiding you. So try and listen to that person. New messages coming into your life, good messages, good news are coming into your life, right? So new hope is coming back into your life. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus what the Six of Stars mean for you. Yes, some of you could be traveling as well, traveling for work or traveling for vacation. Yes, holiday is definitely there. So definitely some of you are either planning around this time, or you could be actually traveling in October. I do see that you're also uh, mentally coming out of a negativity. Like in the past few weeks, you would have noticed in the reading that you were in sort of a negative zone, right? Still thinking about the past, still sad, still angry, still worried, still feeling betrayed, right? So I do feel that you will also be coming out of the negativity. That means hope, like I said, will be coming back into your life again. So October month, Aquarius, is actually ending on a beautiful note for you, from becoming negative to coming out and becoming positive. So it's a beautiful transition that I see which is happening. You will be reborn like a phoenix, coming back into your life, in your dating life, in your career life. You will be born again. You will be coming back like a phoenix, which means coming back stronger and wiser. So don't worry, you haven't lost on anything. There is new hope coming back into your life. Ups and downs are continuously happening. Changes are inevitable. Just accept it and move on with your life. You will not even feel a difference, right? So beautiful reading, Aquarius. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Refer to your friends, comment if you liked it. And now I'm going to post the Hindi video soon. Remember that I will be posting weekly love readings as well. If you're interested in that, please do subscribe my channel so that you get to know every week. Alright, so thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.